We made a trip to San Diego. In this video, we are going to present animals, plants, and habitats.
Polar bear. The polar bear is a carnivorous bear whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle. Right at the top of the Arctic food chain, polar bears balance nature by preventing an overpopulation of seals. How many polar bears are there? Scientists can only prove informed estimates. In 2008, scientists estimated that there might be 20,000 to 25,000 of them. Penguins. Emperor penguins are the largest of all living penguin species. The emperor penguin has a black head, chin, and throat, with broad yellow patches on each side of the head. Its range circumpolar on the Arctic continent. Their habitat within the limits of pack ice. Population. Its global population is 200,000 packs. Flamingos. The flamingo's pink or reddish color comes from the rich sources of carotenoid pigments in the algae or small crustaceans that persist. Flamingos live in lagoons or large shallow lakes. They are found in South Africa and in the northern tip of South America. Red River Hog. The Red River Hog lives in western and central Africa. Their habitat is the rainforest, wet savannas, forested valleys, and near slow waterways.
Ramadophua kirke cavendishi, referred to as Cavendish dik-dik, comes from the African continent in the region of Tanzania. They live from evergreen scrub to thicketed savanna habitats. This species is not threatened or in danger of disappearing. Western lowland gorillas are an endangered species. They remain far more than their relatives, the mountain gorillas. They live in heavy rainforests. You can find them in Central Africa. The western lowland gorilla population has decreased due to deforestation, farming, grazing, and the expanding human settlements that caused forest loss. Lemurs can be found in Madagascar. They are nocturnal species and there exist approximately 80 species of them. Deforestation around the Madagascar island is a threat for lemurs. The cheetah is the world's fastest land mammal, going on a speed from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. They are daylight hunters. These species are found in eastern and southwestern Africa. Only 7,000 to 10,000 of these cats remain in the whole world, since grasslands where they are found are disappearing at the hands of human settlers. They are a vulnerable species.
Giraffes live in small groups in parts of Africa where food is adequate, south of the Saharan desert. The habitat of giraffes is open plains of the African savanna where trees are present. There are few endangered species of giraffes. They live around 220 left, and there are others with numbers that range from 20,000. In total, it is said that there are 80,000 with all the species combined. Their function in their environment is that they eat plants and keep trees from growing too much. They are affected by pollution, illegal hunting on giraffes, and the deterioration of their habitats.
The orca whale or killer whale is a toothed whale and is the largest member of the dolphin family. It is highly social and composed of matrilineal family groups. Orcas have long, rounded bodies with large dorsal fins at the middle of their backs. Their black bodies are marked with white patches on the underside and near the eyes.
The Tasmanian tree fern is a species of evergreen tree fern. You can find it in some parts of Australia, southeast Queensland, New South Wales, and Victoria. It can be used as a food source and it is a good source of starch. The pride Liebdesny is a part of the olive family and it has around 200 species, from native to tropical, and they are found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. They are also cultivated for their fragrance. The Canary Island pine is a subtropical pine and does not tolerate low temperatures or hard frost, make a contribution to the island's water supply. European shane fern is found in Europe, Russia, and Atlantic islands in North Africa, and it is used as a hanging basket and soil planting.
Sunflowers are native to the Americas, although it has now traveled around the planet. Sunflower oil have become a widespread cooking ingredient. Leaves on the sunflower can be used as cattle feed, while the stems contain a fiber which can be used in paper production. Human activities such as pollution and contamination, also the greenhouse effect, affect sunflowers. The native location of California lilac is said that they come from the Americas around the states of California. That's why it's named. The uses of California lilac are mostly for gardening and decoration, but also for medicine and relaxation. Human daily lives affect California lilacs, such as pollution and contamination, as well as most plants are affected by these activities.
The Indian hawthorn low-grow evergreen flowering shrubs. With a dismounted growth habit, they are ideal low-maintenance plants for use in small gardens and foundation planting. Star jasmine is found in eastern and southeastern Asia. The flower is white and is from 1 to 2 cm diameter, and the fruit is a slender follicle, and it is used for its perfume oil.
Little gem southern magnolia, it is used as a container planter, street without sidewalker, and etc. And the flower it gives is white, cream, or gray, and the fruit is brown or red. You can find this if you go outside of the region.
A savanna is a rolling grassland scattered with shrubs and isolated trees which can be found between a tropical rainforest and desert biome. Savannas have warm temperature year-round. There are actually two very different seasons in savanna. A very long dry season, which is winter, and a very wet season, which is summer. Animals that you can find on savannas are African elephant, African wild dog, black mamba, and caracal. There are both cold and hot deserts. Both kinds of deserts receive very little rainfall and both get very cold at night. But hot deserts bake during the day. Deserts receive less than 25 centimeters of rain each year and rainfall is very irregular. Annual plants have seeds that are able to stay dormant until there is sufficient rainfall to support the young plant. And many animals live in burrows, only go out at night and generally try to avoid the heat.